Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're taking new perspective Excel 2019 Module 1 SAM Project 1A. I will guide you through this project step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. Okay, title of project is that new perspective Excel 2019 Module 1 SAM Project 1A. I will guide you through this project step by step. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Getting started is that basically in this question we will have to download Excel project from SAM website. You can download it easily from your SAM website. Okay, open the file NP Excel XP19 one first last name one XLS file. You can see this. I have also downloaded this file from SAM website. You can download easily from your portal. Okay, right click on this and save as this name as. Okay, you can see this. I have saved as this name. Save the file first name last 2 XLS. Okay, with the file np xp19 one a first last name 2 XLS still open. Ensure that your first and last name is displayed in cell B6 of documentation sheet. If cell B6 does not display your name, delete the file and download a new copy from SAM website. We click on cell B6. You can see this. It will be displayed name. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question number 1, project steps. You can read the project step. First project step is that as the office administrator, you use Excel to maintain personal data and summarize cash flow. You are finalizing the personal and cash flow worksheet for the current week. Begin of the personal worksheet by cutting the contents of range B1 to B2 and pasting them into the range A1 to A2. Okay, begin on the personal worksheet by cutting the content of the range B1 to B2. Basically in this question we will have to select this range B1 to B2 and we will cut and then paste into cell A1 to A2. Okay, personal sheet. Okay, first we select this range and cut this range and then paste into range A1 to A2. Okay, enter this range and then right click on this and cut this range. Okay, and then paste in second range A2 to B2. Okay, this is done now. So sorry, paste them into the range A1 to A2. Okay, adjusting the width of column A using auto width. We will go to Excel workbook and then click on column A and go to the format tab and then select auto fit column. Select column A, click on format tab and then go to the auto fit with column. Okay, this is done now. Change the width of column B to 16.00. You can change the width of column B to 16.00. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Click on column B, right click on this and click on column width. Okay, you can change this data 16.00, then press OK. Okay, it will be changed the width of column B. This is done now. Okay, question 4, just enter the value shows in table 1 into the corresponding cells of the range B14 to C16. Data for the range B14 to C16. Okay, B, C, B value. You can enter this all values in B and C. Data for the range B14 to C16. Enter the value shown in table in the corresponding cells in the range B14 to C16. Okay, B14 value is that $846 846.15. Okay, and then C value is that, okay, sorry, B15 is that dollar sign, and then 846.15, and B16 is also 2923.08. Okay, then C value is 23.22, 23.22, and C16 is that 5.19. 5.19 is C16, and C17 is that 0.00. Okay, this is done now. Question 4 is completed. Now moving on question 5. Okay, so I have done this question. Question 5 is that enter albert.luna@sangit.com and cell D5. Select the range D5 to D16 and then use the auto flash fill button using the fill drop down arrow in the editing group on the home tab to automatically enter codes into the remaining cells in the range. Hint, you must use the flash fill button to properly receive credit for this step. Okay, basically in this question we will click on cell D5, and then we will have to enter albert.luna@saniki.com. You can copy this and then you can click on cell D5 and enter this. Click on cell C5, D5, and then click on tap albert.luna@saniki.com. albert.luna@saniki.com. LUNA@sangate.com. Okay, and then use flash fill button to the range. You must use the flash fill button to select this and click on fill button and then click on flash fill. Okay, it will be done. You can see this. It will fill all in column D. D5, D6, D7 continuously. Okay, I have done this question right now. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, change the width of column D to 36.00. In this question, we will have to change the width of column D. Moving on Excel workbook and then right click on column D and then we will change the width of column D 36.00. Okay, right click on column D, change width is 36.00, change the data 36.00 on column D, then press OK. It will be change the width of column D. Okay, enter the word total in cell A17. You can copy this word total or you can type in cell A17 total words. Okay. Click on cell A17 and then enter this word totally and then press enter. It will be enter this word. Okay, now question number 8 is that in cell B17 create a formula using the sum function to determine the total salary paid by Tabla Insurance Agency by totaling the value in the range B5 to B16. Copy the formula you created in the cell B17 to cell C17. Okay, click on cell B17 and then we will have to enter a sum function. Okay, B17 create a formula using sum function to determine the total salary paid by Tabla Insurance Agency by totaling the value. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell B17 and then we will have to create a sum function. We will have to create a formula using sum function. Click on cell B17. First we enter is equal to and then enter sum function. Okay, then we will enter this range B5 to B16, then press enter. It will be shown all values in here. Okay, copy the formula you created in B17 to C17. Okay, you can copy the formula C17 to D17. It will be shown total in cell B17 and C17. Okay, enter number of employees in cell A19. Okay, you can copy this number of employees and then go to the Excel workbook and then you can enter this number of employees. You can enter this number of employees. You can copy or you can type in cell A19, moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell A19. Okay, you can type this number of employees. Okay, the press enter, it will be done. Now moving on question number 10, I have done 9 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen, question number 10 is that in cell B19, create a formula using the count function to determine the number of people employed by tabla insurance agency by counting the values in the range B5 to B16. Okay, basically in this question we will have to create a formula using count function. Okay, we will first we'll enter in cell B19 and then press is equal to in cell B19 create a formula using count function, moving on Excel workbook, click on cell B19. Click on cell B19 and enter is equal to and count function and then enter formula in the range B5 to B16 and then press enter. It will be shown number of employees in cell B19. Okay, you can see I have done this. Okay, I have done half project. For remaining question or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.